Hey guys, I'm Vignesh. Now I'm going to show you the review of the Note 5 ROM version 5 on Samsung Galaxy Grand 2. First of all, let me show you the settings. There is the about phone. Here is the model number is SMG800H and the Android version is 6.0. It's fake, it's a prank. Here is the marshmallow game, and here you can see in the build number Note 5 V5. And here's the settings. The settings looks cool, and also the notification toggles also looks cool. Here you can see easily. And in this ROM there's a slight lagness in animations and everything. These are the notification toggles available in this ROM. There's the ultra power saving mode and power saving mode, and here's the private mode, and here you can have torch, and you can enable quick connect in this notification toggle settings. You can disable it also. And here's the sim 1 and sim 2 icon, and here is the S Pen option. This is for air command. Air command is pre-installed in this ROM, and here you can see the floating messages also pre-installed, and I like these floating messages. And here is the motions and gestures option. And coming to the themes, this ROM have one theme pre-installed, and this ROM supports theme store, but you can't apply any theme. If you apply any theme and if you reboot it, your phone will get into boot loop. So don't apply any themes from theme store. You can download themes from XD also. And here is the lock screen and security. Here is the lock screen type, and here is the unlock effect. There are two unlock effects are there. Sparkling bubbles. I have this. Let me show you about sparkling bubbles. This is the sparkling bubbles, and this is the color droplets. Wait, let me show you. I don't know why the screen shows black. Let's try again. Again, the screen shows black for color droplets. And here is the easy mode also. Here's the battery. I have been using this ROM for the past 4 days, and I think the battery is same as like in motion ROM. Sometimes it drains fast. Here's the storage. And the one thing I need to tell you that I have installed this ROM by flashing the Note 5 ROM version 4 and an update zip for version 5. What you need to do is just flash the Note 5 ROM version 4 first and then reboot and wait for it to complete the boot, and after that go to recovery again and flash the update zip. Don't flash both files at the same time because it takes more time for me to boot. Sometimes it may won't boot, so it's for your goodness only. And the heads up notifications are superb, and this is the notification dryer as I already told. And these are the pre-installed apps. These two dryers are the pre-installed apps. Here you have phone, And let me show you the call quality and the in-call user interface. And if you turn on the speaker, it will sound very loud.
Press 1. For VAS offers, press
And
hash.
here's the other options
To
in
change your
dialer.
IVR language,
It looks cool, and you
press
can also
0.
record the call. The main bug in motion-based ROMs is the message receiving bug, and that's solved in this ROM. There is no message receiving bug. You can see clearly here. And I will show you proof. Here I will send a message to the services. And already there is a message timed 9:20 a.m. I will show you. It will come now. And you can see the floating messages also. Yes, here is the floating messages. And here you can see now the time is 10:35 and it came now. For the past 4 days there is no message receiving bug for me. So this is the most stable ROM and I faced no bugs. Some lags in animations only. And this Galaxy apps is from the Galaxy S7. And here you can see the clock. This is the new clock. And here's the gallery. And here's the add command option. And you need to grant super user permission for this. I have already assigned the add commands. Here's the calculator from Note 5. And here's the music app. I love this music app of Samsung. And I updated via Play Store. Last time when I played a song in YouTube via ROM review, I don't know whether it is copyright protected, and he claimed the copyright. So I was supposed to remove it. So I removed the song. So I won't play the songs for you. And here you can see the user interface. I have downloaded 2 more ROMs. So Zune, the Galaxy J5 ROM on Samsung Galaxy Grand 2, and the Grace UX ROM on Samsung Galaxy Grand 2 review will be uploaded soon. And here is the S Planner from the Note 5. And one more thing is the voice recorder. And here's the My Files. I like this My Files. You can see the My Files. And these are the ROMs I'm having now. Grace UX Note 7 version 2 and JCR ROM. And in this ROM the exposed is pre-installed. That is, the exposed APK is pre-installed, and you need to install the framework for this exposed installer. I will provide the link for exposed framework also, so don't worry. And here's the quick reboot pre-installed app. These are the reboot options in this. And here is the off app. This app will lock the phone by simply pressing this. That's all. It locks the phone. And I don't know, the colored droplets are not working. And if you slide from the up in the lock screen, you can see only the notifications, and you can clear it also. And coming to the camera, okay, let me show in the portrait mode only. Here you can see the options available in this camera. Shutter sound also, you can turn it off. And here's the video size. I like 1080 pixel. And coming to the modes, these are the modes available in this camera, and you can download sports mode and sound and short mode also from Galaxy apps. And here's the front camera. In back camera you can set up to 8 megapixel, but in the front camera you can set only up to 0.9 megapixel, and other resolutions won't work. So don't do it. Video recording also working. Video record won't work because I am recording because I am recording the screen, but it will work for you, so no worries. Another thing is the Samsung Studio pre-installed. And the other things I left is the internet browser from Samsung Note 5. For the front camera you can use the Google camera, so that you can get 1.9 megapixel of back cam. And these are the apps I have installed in this ROM. And let me show you the wallpapers in this ROM. Here's the wallpapers. These are the wallpapers available for this ROM. And this looks like Galaxy S7, and I like it. I think that's all for the review. Do press like if you like it, and do subscribe if you need regular updates. I will support only Samsung Galaxy Grand 2, sometimes Samsung Galaxy S3. And thanks for watching. It's Vignesh. Take care.